back. So there is some mistake in the previous sessions, like I have, incorrect the steps, so you have to perform. Like before creating the instance group, make sure you have to create the health check because while creating the instance group, we have to define the health check. So as for the health check, it will find it will keep checking the Apache web server page, like it will keep checking the 80 port. If the port is not listening, then it will create the instance. Okay, so that's something the step like incorrect order, so I corrected it. Okay, so let me go to the compute engine, and you can see there is the health check and the instance group. So you have to click on the health check, then let's click on the create health check, then we have to define the condition here. So I opened the create health check from the compute instance. So let me create the health check. So you can take an example and any name, like I am taking as Apache page check. Okay, other step you can keep as it is because we are checking for the Apache. Either you can go with the global and the regional. Global means it can take, it can access any region, but as we are defining in the dedicated region, I don't think the global is not required, so I'm taking the regional one. Okay, and we have to check for the Apache page. So I will define the port number because the Apache is listening with the 80 port. Okay, and other step we have to keep it remaining like as it is. Okay, like how many time times it had to take, how many, what is the threshold time, like whatever the health criteria parameters defined here as by default. So I'll keep as it is, but if you want to change it, like the interval time or the threshold time, okay, so you can also change it. Okay, but as it is up to your choice. Okay, so the health check has been created. So in the next session, I will let you know how to create the instance group and how to use this health check in the instance group. Okay, so thank you guys. We can meet in the next session. Thank you.